Well, I got my lights up, and I went to Lowe's, got some junction boxes, and some pipe, and some junction boxes that will come off the pipe, and they'll make it look pretty up here, and some anchors to mount the pipes to the ceilings, and still going to be Brad's electrical hack job, but it'll be well hidden. But I'm going to call it a day. It's sprinkling out. I can't go get my plywood. And tomorrow I think it's going to rain too, so I'll get these hooked up tomorrow. And I ordered a couple of benches that will fit side by side right here. Matter of fact, let me get my tape measure out just to make sure. I'll be right back. All right, it is the next day, and I went and got some stuff from Lowe's. Now we are going to have a cup of turbocharged, high speed, low drag, shop coffee. And I want to drink this cup of coffee. You're going to see how fast I move when I wire them lights. Let's get after it. I just want to show you something funny. These are low ceilings in this mobile home, and this definitely is not supposed to be here. If I'm not careful, I'm going to knock this bulb out with my head. I had to take the globe off because I did hit the globe, so I will be probably taking that ceiling fan out of there because I hit my head on a lot of stuff. And when you're bald or when you're follically challenged, the nicks and dings show up on your head real easy. Oh, Lordy. Well, I've never done time lapse before. I hope it doesn't look too silly. I'll tell you what, it is bright, but it's not so bright that I won't be able to stand it. I really like a bright shop. As I've gotten older, I've needed more and more light. Alrighty. Now tomorrow is not gonna rain. And my wife has a bunch of stuff we gotta do. We gotta go pay our taxes. What else? Oh, JCPenney's. My wife has lost a bunch of weight and all her shirts make her look like a homeless lady, a bag lady. So we're gonna get her some new shirts and oh Lord, I forget something else. Long list of stuff. Oh yeah, my plywood for the floor. See you tomorrow. Okay, just one more look. It's taco meat. I'm gonna make a taco meat omelet.
Your video, why didn't you tell me?
Because it's not that important. I'm just gonna let that melt for a minute. My wife makes these, and when I hit my 50,000 subscriber giveaway, probably a couple of weeks or so, I'm gonna give a couple of them away, along with some other nice stuff. But I'm giving away these two, a couple of them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, that's good. Keto friendly. I've lost 5 pounds, and I hadn't really been trying hard. Just eliminated junk food, sugar, bread, and I'm eating mostly meat and eggs and cheese and and meat. Did I mention meat? I'm also eating meat. Lots of meat. Isn't that a pretty sunset? Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
What is that in the sky?
Yes, it's replaced all the gray and rain.
We haven't seen the sun in a week.
Long time. It sure has been a gloomy, wet winter.
Yeah, it has. It's good.
Well, he's a master. He is the master.
Beautiful
Look
picture.
over there, Brad.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, Charlie, couldn't you see him coming through those clouds right there? It's like a V, a big wide V.